Good PM. Today is December 14, 2023, Thursday. And here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, December 14, 2023. STL Square 3 PM result is here for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Thursday, December 14, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.